Welcome to this guided meditation for letting go of negativity. We are unity of consciousness, dedicated to helping you achieve personal and spiritual growth. Today, we will embark on a journey to release negative thoughts and emotions, fostering a positive mindset and a sense of inner peace. Before we begin, find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position, with your spine straight and your hands resting gently on your lap or by your sides. Take a moment to settle into your body and connect with your body. Take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax completely. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become calm and focused. Let go of any lingering thoughts or tension, and open yourself up to the present moment. Allow yourself to fully acknowledge and accept any emotions, racing thoughts, stress without judgment or resistance, and try to let them go. Do it as you were a third person and just watching them pass by. 1. Recognize your thoughts. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling negativity. Bring your awareness to your thoughts. Notice any negative thoughts that arise without judgment. Simply observe them as they pass through your mind. Recognizing your thoughts is the first step in letting go of negativity. 2. Challenge your thoughts. Now, gently challenge these negative thoughts. Ask yourself if they are based on facts or assumptions. Are they rational or irrational? By questioning the validity of your negative thoughts, you can begin to weaken their hold on your mind. 3. Turn negatives into positives. Imagine taking each negative thought and transforming it into a positive one. For example, if you think, "I can't do this," replace it with, "I am capable and strong." Visualize these positive thoughts filling your mind, pushing out the negativity. 4. Understand what triggers you. Reflect on what triggers your negative thoughts and emotions. Is it a particular situation, person, or memory? Understanding your triggers can help you manage your reactions and avoid unnecessary negativity. 5. Be your own friend. Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would offer a friend. When negative thoughts arise, speak to yourself with gentle, encouraging words. Remind yourself that you are worthy of love and respect. 6. Focus on positive people, and aim to be one. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Aim to be a source of positivity for others as well. By fostering a positive environment, you can reduce the impact of negativity on your life. 7. Watch what you're watching and reading. Be mindful of the media you consume. Choose content that inspires and uplifts you, rather than content that feeds into negativity. What you watch and read can greatly influence your mindset and emotions. 8. Focus on the present. Bring your attention to the present moment. Let go of past regrets and future worries. Focus on the here and now, and appreciate the beauty of the present. Mindfulness can help you stay grounded and reduce negative thinking. 9. Bring the inside out. Express your thoughts and emotions in a healthy way. This could be through journaling, talking to a trusted friend, or engaging in creative activities. Letting out your feelings can prevent them from festering inside you. 10. Talk about it. Don't hesitate to talk about your feelings with someone you trust. Sharing your thoughts and experiences can provide relief and help you gain new perspectives. 11. Create a personal mantra. Develop a personal mantra that resonates with you. This could be a phrase like, "I am at peace" or "I am in control of my thoughts." Repeat this mantra whenever negativity arises to reinforce positive thinking. 12. Practice daily gratitude. End each day by reflecting on the things you are grateful for. Practicing gratitude can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life, fostering a positive outlook. Well done. Now, as we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to sit in stillness, absorbing the positive energy you've cultivated. Feel the sense of peace and clarity within you. Know that you have the power to let go of negativity and embrace a positive mindset. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, when you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of positivity and inner peace with you throughout your day. Remember, you are deserving of love, healing, cultivating positivity, emotional well-being, and let go of negativity. May this meditation guide you on your journey to emotional healing and inner peace. If you found this meditation helpful, consider incorporating it into your daily routine to continue building emotional well-being and letting go of whatever is hindering your success. Remember that letting go of negativity and nurturing a positive mindset is a skill that can be cultivated through practice and perseverance. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. If you found this guided meditation helpful, consider incorporating it into your daily routine to nurture a positive mindset and emotional well-being. You can find more support in our channel for more guided meditations and relaxation techniques to support your well-being journey. Consider people who may benefit from this support. Thank you for joining us on this journey to emotional healing, personal and spiritual growth. May you continue to cultivate love, kindness, and gratitude, and celebrate your life positively. You have the power to create the life you desire. Embrace it and live it fully.